Earbetter is a free and open source ear training tool that I've been working on as a hobby project. It's non-commercial, and my goal is to make the best possible trainer that I can. So if you have any feedback, I'd love to hear it. Today, I'm just going to give a very quick overview of how the app works. If you click into the piano, you can see if you click on the piano, that works like you might expect. And you can also use a MIDI input if you have that, like my piano. So that's the same input that we can use over on the trainer. On the left here, we have projects and then realms and then levels. As I click around the realms, you'll see the levels change. If I create any project, we'll see that the realms change as well. The realms, notice, are named after scales and modes. If I click into the bottom one, that's one I made just for learning purposes, and then we can click into the first level of that. So what it's doing is it's playing two notes and asking us, starting with the tonic, to play back what we heard. I'm going to click anywhere so we can repeat that. And I'm going to now guess what I heard. I'm now going to get this one wrong so we can see what that looks like. And notice that it made us repeat the same sequence until we got it right. I'm now going to skip ahead to the end. We made one mistake. We can go back to the map and now see our score. It says, you've completed one run of this level, do 3 more to get scored. The goal is to have a big star for each level, and it will track the number of mistakes until you're flawless. So if we edit that one level, we can come down here. I tried to make this as customizable as possible. The intervals are the number of semitones that are available for each test. So here you can see I chose the minor scale, or you can choose whatever, or edit this manually. You can also change the trial count, which is the number of segments in each level. We'll change that to 1. And then the sequence length is the number of notes played for each trial. So I'll change that to 3. The lowest note and highest note scope the piano. So you can see at lower notes, the piano gets wider, so the available notes gets larger. This app was not made to be mobile friendly initially. I probably will want to add a new project that has mobile friendly levels, but I did not want to start by degrading the experience for desktop by making it really small like this. So I'll show you one last thing is tonics, so you can actually scope which of the starting notes are available if you want to do that. We'll now play this level. And notice that there's 3 notes being played now. And we can now guess that, and it's correct. And now it's done because we changed the trial count to 1. So that's about it. I'll show you really fast now. If we go in here, the other project, and create default realms for it, notice that there's no scores yet for that first level in the easiest realm. But if we click back here, we'll notice we do have scores. So these are like save files. So that's about it. If you have any feedback or questions, I'd love to hear it. YouTube comments are great. There's a Reddit post for this in the description, as is a Discord link. And if you find the GitHub source code, you can also leave issues and mention bugs and help if you want. So thank you so much. I'd love to make this better if I can. And I'm not a musician, so your input is very much valued. See you next time.